We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x14 Dovetail utility trailer with side gate and double brakes. It has your jack, coupler, and safety chains, spare tire holder, as well as your breakaway box. This does have pressure treated wood flooring, as well as your tie down points built in. This trailer comes with black diamond plate fenders and 15-inch wheels and tires. This is a tandem axle, so it does come with two Greaseable 3,500-pound axles. This does have double brakes. Dovetail is fully wired with LED drive lights and has your reinforced loading gate. A side gate here. Once again, this is our 7x14 Dovetail utility trailer with a side gate and double brakes. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.